अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 150 प्लस डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। Oh, I'm sorry I have got a bit late. Please help yourself. Don't you disturb me. Excuse me. Fancy price. Get lost. Go yourself. Has someone come? He always keeps telling a lie. He does not tell a lie. He feels like. He has been to the market. He has been to the school. He has gone to market. He is good at English. He is so called a teacher. He is very stingy. He must be tired. Rest assured. Sorry for the inconvenience. Inconvenience. That's so kind of you. Watch out. Well done, dear. What a bother. What nonsense. Wonderful. Would you please speak slowly? Yes, by all means. A set of books is on the table. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।